Whoops! Before we continue, quick disclaimer, this is not our usual PC building video. This is not a tutorial, so don't expect step by step. This is more of behind the scene walkthrough on how we do things at Northern.YEG PC Builders. The checks, steps, and care we put into making sure every PC is built right before it goes home. And this is Jed from Northern.YEG PC Builders. Before installing the motherboard into the case, we install the CPU, RAM, and NVMe M.2 SSD first. We place the motherboard on top of its box so it stays on safe, flat surface while we work. These parts may look small but basically they're the heart and memory of the PC, so this is where we take our time and make sure everything is properly seated. There. For part 2, we're doing some pre-wiring before the motherboard goes in. We prepare the case, sort out the fan and ARGB cables, and plan the route to the motherboard headers. It may look like spaghetti cable right now, but trust the process, it makes the cable management cleaner and easier later. After mounting the motherboard, we plug in the power supply cables and route them into place. Once the main cables are ready, it's now time to install the air cooler or all-in-one liquid cooler for your CPU. Next, install the graphics card, plug in the PCIe cables, and clean the back of the PC. And it's time as well to install the other accessories for the PC, in this instance the 9.16 inches screen. Wait. Before the first power on, we do one final cable check. Make sure everything is snug, seated, and connected properly. 3, 2, 1.